How to send boarding pass from Ryanair app to email. If you're flying with Ryanair and need to send your boarding pass to your email, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to do just that. So let's get started. First, let's open the Ryanair app. If you haven't already downloaded from the App Store or Google Play, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be in the main home screen. Simply tap on My Boardings or My Boarding Passes, which will take you to your page where you have all your boarding passes. If you cannot find it over there, you can simply go back to main home screen and simply tap on My Bookings tab. There you can simply find a list of your upcoming flights. Simply tap on the flight you want to send the boarding pass for. Once you're in your booking details, you should see the option for your boarding pass. Tap on it to open your boarding pass. Now that you have your boarding pass on screen, look for the send button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen or under the three dots menu. Tap on send and then you'll be given the option to send the boarding pass to your email address. Simply enter your email address or choose one from your contacts if it's already saved and then hit send. And that's it. You've now sent your boarding pass to your email from the Ryanair app. Super easy, right?